Hey guys, Rex Plays here. Welcome to another video. Today, I am just playing as usual. I haven't actually did one of these videos in a long time. I still got my cousin Joey over here, Mr. Batman looking boy. Yeah. Can you please, can you sit over here?
I'm bored. I want to play something.
Then lay over there.
Oh, I'm watching.
There's
I'm going
Jiggy.
there.
But can you at least sit somewhere else so my Legos won't get crushed like this one? Now they got butt all over it. Nice job, man. Got butt all over it. Hey, why are you breathing so heavily? I just noticed that how the way you're breathing. I'm like, why is he breathing so heavily?
My friend is really popular because he makes coolest Legos. He makes pixels.
Who?
You.
Oh.
I'm just telling the viewers.
Yeah, true. I do though, and I got them on my bed right now.
Yeah, my friend is.
To be honest,
he's my cousin too. He's my cousin. We're not.
My bed, or a little bunk bed, it just broke not too long ago. It broke yesterday. Bro, what the, bro.
I'm just playing.
Shoot, I almost died. Hey, can I? Be quiet. Bro, make a video. You wanna be in video, can I?
Yeah, what do you do?
Mexico. Hey, anybody from Mexico out there, shout out to you guys.
I'm sorry for y'all out there, for those homeless kids.
How are homeless kids watching this video?
I don't know. I'm dumb. No!
Some homeless kids don't even... Here's the thing, some homeless kids have to pay for their lunch. Which that's messed up. If they can pay for kids' lunches every day, they can pay for homeless people every day. I know, if you have somebody homeless in your family, there's a few places that you could go, on all the ads and stuff. So yeah. How did we start talking about my videos to homeless people?
I don't know.
But shout out to those homeless people who might be watching this episode. And by the way, if you are homeless, no, not good for you. No. Whoever says that if you say to them that that you're homeless,
you really love God more than anything in my life.
And then, yeah, God's on your side.
Yeah, I love God.
When my friend didn't have to pay lunch money, I was like, bro, God is on your side, bro. God is on your side. Oh my God. And you know what should be a prize on Subway Surfers? What's it called? It should be double boxes. For instead of you basically get that box, but you don't really get anything. You only get that, and then yeah. So it's not really anything good. You just get a box of 2 extra boxes.
Hold up.
A sucking cobra, I think.
Oh shoot! Don't mess with me, bro. Don't mess with me.
Shoot, I almost died twice today. Oh no, not in real life, but in this game. Bro, this gets so intense.
Yeah, my friend's good at the game. How's that?
I'm good as a mug.
I'm good as a mug in this game, guys, too.
I'm not vlogging. Well, I might do vlogs, yes, but not for long.
I know.
Why are you crunching in my face? Can you please stop crunching in my face?
Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get y'all niggas away from me. Hey, get away from me. Hey,
What did I do to deserve this?
Life.
So I did life to deserve this.
Yeah.
So you're saying if I didn't do life. But if I did life, there would
Exploded.
I wouldn't even thought of if I didn't do life. Or maybe yeah. I had to end the video short, but like, comment.
Question.
What?
Do you know where the tablet is?
I have no clue.
Your white one?
Yes.
Yeah, it's like one.
I haven't been playing.
But guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.
I don't even know.
Peace.